Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today I'm just going to give you a demonstration of playing with watercolor and painting forget-me-not and little words of wisdom. While I'm getting my painting colored mixed, I'm putting down just simple strokes using my little 1/2-inch oval round Simmons brush. I'm painting these forget-me-nots in a loose, simple style. Just a little curved brush strokes, so very simple, nothing extravagant. I want you to know that when you're painting watercolor, when you're beginning watercolor, that there's no set of rules you have to go a certain way. You start off buying cheap paper, inexpensive watercolor, and decent brushes. And as you get better, you go into more expensive paper, more expensive watercolor, and more expensive brushes. I want you to know not to give up. Not everybody starts off being professional. It's impossible. Do give yourself a break. It takes time. It takes time to figure out what works for you. Not everybody likes Arches cold pressed paper. Not everybody likes hot pressed paper. Not everybody likes certain kind of brushes, certain kind of colors, certain kind of paint. It takes time to figure out who you are as an artist, and you shouldn't beat yourself up that you're not getting it a certain way, because it doesn't matter which way you're getting it. It matters the way you're getting it. Everyone works at their own speed and their own pace. I don't want you to compare yourself to other people. It makes no sense, because they're all on their own journey. They're all doing their own thing. They're all taught a different way, and they all learn a different way. Never compare yourself. It's just, you'll set yourself up for failure. It's not going to work. I do want to emphasize that just take time to look around you and look at the things that you see in your everyday life and get inspiration from that. Sometimes people get stopped. They can't figure out what to do, what to paint. You can paint the glass jar, the coffee cup, the spoon, the knife. You could paint your pet, a setting in your living room. You can paint a scene of furniture, house plants. Go outside in nature, look at leaves, look at flowers. It's all around you if you look for it. Don't get stopped. Just do. And practicing just painting something every day actually really helps you. Helps you grow as a painter, helps you grow doing compositions, it helps you grow as an artist. Just the simple practice of just doing. I know sometimes people feel down and they don't feel like doing, but actually that's when you're supposed to do it the most. You have to push yourself, keep pushing yourself to continue to just do. It's the act of doing that is the golden ticket. And you'll be surprised. If you have to have some kind of goal, that might work too. Like 30 days of flowers, or 30 days of fruits and vegetables, 30 days of birds. That's a nice goal. Or if you can't, that's too much. 30 days seems like a huge commitment. Do 1 week. 1 week is good. But you need some kind of goal that will help you. Or you could just do 30 days of cards, and it doesn't matter what the subject is. You could change the subject anytime you want, or 30 days of minimal, small paintings. I just want you to be in the art of practicing, and don't worry about how it looks, or who's painting what they're doing. Those are my biggest tips for you for today. I hope you want to give yourself give yourself a pat on the back for even trying, because a lot of people just are stopped right there. They don't even try. All I ask is that you just try. Now here I'm taking that 1/2-inch oval and moving the paintbrush around, making leaves and stems. And now I have a liner brush. Makes these fine lines that go up and around and all around. It's a fun brush to have. I don't use it often, but when I do, it's a lot of fun. It makes these very thin, super fine lines. You just throw in around your flowers to give it that wispy, wild look. You know, I use it sporadically throughout the whole entire painting. It's just a fun way to add some movement, you know, to your painting that's different than the normal brushes that you have. So I'm going to leave you with the rest of this painting demo, continuing. And I'm just going to be adding in like more of those lines you see, and I'll just keep painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I want you to know, be kind to yourself. You know, this is a journey, it takes time. So just go for the ride. Thank you guys so much. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.